Hello guys, my name is Jerry Pando, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate this video using After Effects. In the description below there will be a link to a Google Drive folder where you'll find the JavaScript for this timer and also a picture for this border right here. What you're going to want to do is open up a new project in After Effects. And then you're going to go to New Composition. I'm going to name this Video Tutorial. And then my preset is HDTV 1080 29.97. Going to make this 5 minutes and 15 seconds. That's going to be enough time for the song to end. What you're going to want to do is find a picture that you'd like to use for your background. I'm going to use this one. Then you're also going to want to import that picture from Google Drive and also any song you would like to use for this video. You're going to move your background to here, and then you're going to scale it to the size of your video. What you're going to want to do with your picture is go to press S and now pull up scale. You're going to add a keyframe at the beginning of the video. And then go to the very end of the video, and you're just going to want to scale this up so you have a zoom in effect during your video. Then what you're going to want to do is import this logo, and then for that you're just going to want to zoom in and hold shift so your scaling doesn't change. What you're going to want to do is add a new text layer, and this one we're going to name timer. You're going to go to text, click Alt, and click on this keyframe right here, and it's going to add an expression. Right here you're going to paste in that JavaScript from Google Drive. Then you're going to want to just scale this up to any size you like and put it up here. You can use any kind of text you want or add something to it, like a stroke. Then also you're going to want to add another text layer, and this is going to be the song name. And you're also going to want to scale this up to any size you'd like. Then you're going to want to add another text, and it's going to be author name. And scale this to any size you like. And for these two, what you're going to want to do is go to position, and you're going to want to add a keyframe at the beginning of the video, and you're going to have these outside. And about 3 seconds in, you're going to make them come into the video. right about there. What that's going to look like is this. It's just going to float in. For that, we can put keyframe assist and go to easy ease in for both of them. Then also, you're going to want to add text in the middle. Then we can make that a bigger size, and then just put anything you want into the middle using any kind of text. And have it to the size of which it fits in here. And for all these, you're gonna add the logo, the timer, the song name, the author name, and your middle name into a pre-comp and name it zoom in. This one was going to do, we're going to go to scale, add a keyframe here. It's going to be at 0, and then shortly after that, add another key. It would add a keyframe and go to 100. This is what it's going to look like. So you're going to zoom in like that. And then also in this comp, you're going to want to add a new solid, and you can make this white, and this is going to be our audio spectrum. What you're going to want to look for is audio spectrum in your After Effects. And our frequency bands are going to change. We're going to make that 25. Maximum height is 1960. What you're going to want to do is add a effect to this, and it's going to be audio spectrum. Our frequency bands are going to be 25. Maximum height is 1960. The colors I chose for this were FF00FF, and then also this one I changed it to FF0000. We're going to make this side B. What you're going to want to do is scale this to the size of the bottom border. And then also we're going to add mini-max to this. We're going to change the radius to 15. Going to have alpha and color, and that's all we're going to change with that. That's going to make up with the squares. And also with this, the hue interpolation, you can change that up to make it more like a DJ looking. And what you're going to want to do for this is add Venetian blinds. And this one, we're going to set this transition to 27. Direction is going to be at 90 degrees. And our width, we're going to change this to 50. And then with our audio spectrum, we're going to link it to this song that we have. until it'll start playing with the song. We're going to change this audio spectrum and put it down below the logo so you don't have the bars right there. Then what you're going to want to do is just go to the other composition. You're going to add another solid. We're going to make this gray. Gray tint, this gray tint. We're going to name it gray tint. This one we're going to change the opacity to 41%. So it'll look like that. Then also you're going to want to add a new solid again. And this one we're going to make white. We're going to name this Starburst. And also add an effect, simulation, and Starburst. For this one, our scatter is going to be 296. Speed we're going to change to 0.11. The phase we're going to leave alone. Our grid spacing is going to be left alone. And then our size is 266. That's going to be just a good effect to this. And then this is what the video is going to look like. Mine is at half the quality of this, so it has time to render more. And at the end, when your song is over, right about here, at 5 minutes and 7 seconds, you're gonna go into black. So what you're going to want to do is add this into a pre-comp, name it final video. Then you're going to want to go to opacity and add a keyframe and move it right next to the keyframe and set it at 0%. And then that will fade the video to black. And that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it.